Today we are going to cook savoury glutinous rice. Here, this is 1 kilogram of glutinous rice, which I have washed and soaked for 3 hours, then drained dry. The ingredients we are going to use are shredded mushrooms, minced shrimps, dried shrimps, shredded waxed meat, minced garlic, and minced onions. For seasoning, we use chicken stock, about 600 ml to 800 ml, dark soy sauce, we also use light soy sauce, oyster sauce, pepper, sugar, and salt. Now for garnishing, we use coriander, spring onion, toasted groundnuts, and sambal, cooked sambal. Okay. We on the stove, put in some oil, swirl the oil around the non-stick wok, put in the minced dried shrimps. We saute it till it is fragrant. Add a bit more oil. Add a little bit more oil. Now it's fragrant already, we dish it out. Now we put in the shredded or the already sliced waxed meat. It's actually lap yolk in Cantonese. It's waxed pork lap yolk. You can substitute it with sausages, Chinese sausages, or you can put both. I ran out of sausages, Chinese sausages, so I just put the lap yolk. So stir fry until it's fragrant. I have soaked this overnight and I have also steamed it for about 20 minutes to soften it before cutting it. Now we dish it out. Next we put in the mushrooms. These mushrooms have been soaked overnight too. Now we dish it out. With some oil. We put in the garlic and the onions. Now we put in the pulut. That is the glutinous rice. All 1 kilo. Now we need to stir fry it till it is partially cooked. Add a bit of oil. We add the chicken stock now, bit by bit. Now we add a bit of oyster sauce in. Add the chicken stock as well while stirring it so that the glutinous rice can get cooked. Add light soy sauce. Add a few dashes of pepper. Now I add the chicken stock all around. Add a little bit of sugar for taste. We add the shredded shrimps and the wax meat lap yolk inside. All mixed together. Put a bit more chicken stock. Add all the mushrooms in. Put in the rest of the chicken stock. Add in some dark soy sauce. Sorry, not black, dark soy sauce for coloring. I've added in 2 teaspoons. We don't want it to be too dark in color. It's richly brown. Put a few dashes of pepper. Okay. I put some sesame seed oil. Put in a small teaspoon of chicken powder for added flavor. Add a little bit more oil. Add the rest of the chicken stock. Okay, it's ready. You will transfer it into some trays, 2 trays. We transfer it into 2 trays for steaming. I have already oiled the 2 trays, these 2 round trays, and we have transferred from the wok to the trays. Now we will put aluminum foil to cover the trays and wait until the steamer, the water in the steamer is boiling before I put it in the tray for steaming. We need to steam it for about 40 to 45 minutes. Then it's ready to be served with all the toppings. the water is already boiling. So now we put in the trays of savoury glutinous rice for steaming. You see, it's hot, boiling water. Boiling water. Okay? Now we put in this tray in first. All covered with aluminium foil, completely sealed so that no water enters. This is the lower tier. Now this is the upper tier. Put the other tray in now. Cover it now. So we shall wait 40 to 45 minutes. After 40 minutes of steaming, we take it out from the steamer. Now I remove the aluminum foil first from the tray. This is how it looks like. It's steaming hot. This is the smaller tray. This is the bigger tray. I have 2 trays, 1 kg of pulut only. This is a small plateful of our just cooked, just prepared savoury glutinous rice, topped up with spring onion and coriander and some peanuts. Try this out and cook this for your family. Thank you for watching.